Do you want to chat with your PDF for answers? Here is an AI chatbot for you to explore more features in PDFgear. You can use PDFgear Copilot to ask questions about your PDF. Its responses will be based on the content of the PDF. Open your browser and search for PDFgear.com. This is the PDFgear app from the website. Windows users can download and install the software, like in the video. Let's demonstrate this tool on the Windows version. Let's see how to use this feature on Windows. Click the small icon in the corner to enter. Select Chat Now to begin. There are examples to choose from, or you can ask your own question. Simply click on the example that matches your question. For instance, let's select this one. PDFgear Copilot will give you a summary of the PDF. It identifies the PDF file as a user guide for PDFgear. It lists all of the main features in PDFgear, according to the user guide. You can also ask any question based on the content of the PDF. For example, I asked, how do I install PDFgear? Here's the response I received. The related pages in the PDF are shown. The higher the ranking, the more relevant the page. You can click on the page number to go to a specific page. This is the answer to the question in the PDF. PDFgear Copilot's responses are based on the content analysis of the PDF file. The next function of PDFgear Copilot is text translation in PDF files. Copy the text you want to translate, paste it, and ask PDFgear Copilot to translate it into the language you need. Upon sending the text, the translated text will be provided. You can type in any language to chat with the chatbot. It will respond to your questions in the same language. The third function of PDFgear Copilot is acting as a PDF assistant. You can enter any command to allow the chatbot to execute related functions in PDFgear. For instance, if you want to convert the PDF file, type the command then send it. It will ask you to confirm the command. If it's correct, click Yes. You can now directly use the converter without any other operations. The chat history in PDFgear can also be exported. This button enables users to export the chat history. You can copy the text to your clipboard. Also, you can save the text as a TXT file. Use this button to clear all chat history. All chat history will be cleared afterward. What would you use PDFgear Copilot for? Join the conversation in the comments below. See you in the next video.